Welcome to Wings of Fire. देखो पढ़ो आगे बढ़ो. Fruits name. Now we are learning fruits name. Apple. I am apple. Red, juicy and tasty apple. A P P L E apple. I am mango. Juicy, yellow, sweet mango. I am king of fruit. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. I am banana. I am good for health. I am full of energy. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. I am orange. Juicy, sweet, orange. I am full of vitamin C. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. I am custard apple. Creamy and sweet. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. Apple. Custard apple. I am guava. I am very tasty and sweet. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. I am pineapple. I am very tasty, sweet. P-I-N-E. Apple. Pineapple. I am papaya. I am full of vitamins. I am good for health. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. I am grapes. The tasty, juicy grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. I am strawberry. The red juicy strawberry. I am good for health. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Strawberry. I am pomegranate. I am good for health and good for heart. I am juicy and red. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. I am jamun. I am sweet and tasty fruit. J-A M-U-N, jamun. I am fig. I am good for health and increase your blood. F-I-G, fig. I am dates, full of energy and calories. D-A-T-E-S, dates. I am sweet lime, very tasty and sweet. S-W-E-E-T-L-I-M-E, sweet lime. I am kiwi, good for health. K-I-W-I, kiwi, kiwi fruit. I am watermelon, the juicy fruit, tasty and yummy. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. I am dragon fruit, very tasty, yummy and healthy, good for health. D-R-A-G-O-N-F-R-U-I-T, dragon fruit. I am Sapodia, chiku. I am very tasty and sweet. S-A-P-O-D-I-L-L-A, Sapodia. I am Juju, the very tasty, sweet fruit. Juju. I am melon, tasty, juicy, sweet. M-E-L-O-N, melon. I am coconut, the magical fruit. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. I am avocado. I am good for heart. A-V-O-C-A-D-O, avocado. Thanks for watching. Like the video. Subscribe my channel, Wings of Fire. Bye bye.